I said that there are some vested interests who would like to see that this issue is not resolved because they gain from the fact if the matter is not resolved. But the vast majority have all agreed to these decisions, including the top leaders of the association who have participated at various meetings. The fact that 200 of them have also agreed to move out to the new vending zone goes to prove that they have agreed.
Ba polling do ubelong nong aiktien ber menteri ke sorkar jela MDA nunta ke janmi jong ke shitarik unai tung arja apusan ulat Ther Tyngeh iki Nongialam ke Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and
Now,
Street
what is
Vendors
stopping the rest
Association
of them?
da ke bakin no ru ba ke don Kaei Sha Lyndet Jong ke jingpin slam ki nong di madan ban kinria syaka jaka yang kali kabran hamuda kabelapen benaru kum ke vending zone ubak pol ulo onge kani hadien bekinong dia madan kila penlonge ke jinge ki halor ke jing keno ba ke jing kenra kot ikinong dia madan hakin dailat kalong ke bebi an ubak pol ulo ye thuru ba ke sorkar kala Mgsphsva tingka marway na ka benta bakin kinriak no ba un airu arajar tingka shibenai ke jing rap pisa na ka benta san benai ban ai jing kershane ki namar ke jing kinriak jongki syaka jaka dia ke bathamai
First of all, the government is on the right track because we have been very responsive and very responsible too. Uh, you would recall that the entire aim of the state government is to decongest Shillong, and regarding that particular stretch at Naila, the plan is I have been repeating myself in saying that all road users have equal rights. And my right as a vendor should not mean a denial of the right of other road users. We have motorists who are also road users. We have pedestrians who also are road users. We cannot deny their right to the use of the same space only to benefit a section of road users. Now, as far as the town vending committee is concerned, discussions have taken place over the course of the last 1 year. This is nothing that the government did uh, in the flash of a moment. We have been in constant touch with all the vendors, and even their top leaders have also attended these various meetings held from time to time. The meetings have been properly minuted, recorded, and they have agreed to the terms and conditions. Those, if you can approach the CEO of the SMB, he will furnish all details of the discussions in the meetings of the town vending committee. Now, when it comes to what happened yesterday was really unlucky, unfortunate, and uncalled for because the officers, have gone and made it clear that only those possessing what we call a COV, certificates of vending, will be allowed to carry on their trade. Now, the government has also been very lenient because we have given them time. But as the deadline ended, we have extended this deadline to the 22nd of July. And there is space for 400 hawkers, out of which only half have agreed to move out, whereas they were party to all the decisions of the town vending committee. Now, that apart, for them to shift to the new space, the MTC space, we have earmarked a sanctioned amount of 10,000 rupees per vendor as shifting allowance. Also, government has already intimated to them that as they start their venture in the new vending zone, each vendor will get a monthly financial support of 2,000 rupees per vendor for 5 months in order to help incentivize them as they shift to the new vending zone. All of these have been agreed upon. Therefore, there seems to be other hidden agenda by some of the leaders. I will not blame all the hawkers, but apparently a few leaders would not like this issue to be resolved. So that is, but again, let me reiterate here that government is committed to ensuring the rule of law. Today, you would have noticed that these hawkers have also marched near the secretariat, in fact, in front of the main secretariat building, which is in violation of Section 163 of the BNS. Now, we would again like to reiterate that we will not allow the rule of law to be compromised.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.